It's me here. So I dropped my phone and messed up the video, which was the actual surprise open this Boxycharm with me, and I dropped it and I messed up the video. So yeah, and I don't know how to edit yet. Not into that stuff yet because I'm still filming with my iPhone. I do have a new camera, but I have videos on there that I still need to upload, and we're fighting over basically the computer, the laptop, because everybody needs it for work, school, whatever. Anyway, so this is the base box for June. So it's already open, and I actually already did it because, like I said, I was filming it and then I dropped it. So here we go. First, what you missed in the beginning was me ranting that I didn't get the Shared Planet eyeshadow palette that I really, really wanted. I really, really wanted the polar bear one. It's beautiful. Or is it called ice? I don't know. I think it's called polar bear. Anyway, so I did get some cool things in here. So this is the Boxycharm theme. Boxycharm the Oasis. I'm all about this picture though. It looks so peaceful. You got your tea, your little candle burning in the top and all that. So we'll go over this in the end. So while I already know what's in here, we're gonna go over it. So I got some lashes. I really don't use these. I kind of partly don't know how and partly just don't feel like taking the time. My natural eyelashes are pretty long, but if I have a decent mascara, people think I'm wearing falsies. So we have gotten these before in a previous box, but it was a different version. It wasn't these. These look a little bit more natural, but they're still really cute. So I don't know what I'll do with them. I didn't also know until recently eyelashes were not one-time use, and I would think, why did they send eyelashes that are one-time use? But they're not. The next thing I got was my choice item, which was the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm Probiotic Skincare. It's clean and effective. They are cruelty-free and made in USA. So you're just supposed to, it's a brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates, cools, and fills in the look lines and wrinkles. And it says apply directly to the eye area under makeup. Reapply throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. So this was my choice item. I'm supposed to use this under makeup or reapply it. I'll probably just end up like using it once in the morning, since you know the whole coronavirus mess going on. When I am at work, I'm wearing my mask for my whole shift. I actually don't even eat inside my job, just because I don't want to be inside there. I mean, there's sick people obviously where I work at, so I don't want to be exposing myself by any chance. So I go and sit in my car. So with everyone wearing face masks all the time, my makeup is pretty minimum. But I'm totally gonna give this a try, like first thing in the mornings. Another thing I got was this Pearlie's Perfect Glow BB Cream. And I don't know, I don't really use a lot of foundation. If I do, I usually use powder. But I guess a BB cream is different. It's oil-free, moisturizing, and it's SPF 30. So it's supposed to be good for sensitive skin, which is me. It gives a matte, glowy finish. So I do like the matte, glowy finish idea. And they sent me a color that is actually my color. I'm very light. So they sent me light. And I didn't know until recently. I think I have a few other items that are pure release. And I didn't know that this was part of the K-Beauty. So some of the ingredients though, the titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. I don't really care for those, but they are what I think gives you the SPF. So I'll use this. I probably won't use it for a very long time though. But I did swatch it already, which was in my previous video that I dropped my phone. So you guys will see that shortly. So I did a swatch, and it actually seems like it's a pretty decent coverage. I would give it maybe medium coverage for a BB cream. I think that's pretty good. I'll show you the swatches at the end. The next thing I got was the Iconic London Illuminator. I do think I've gotten this in the past. It might have been in an Ipsy or Sephora. I was trying to figure out where it came from in the video that I just did that I dropped my phone. So I think I got this in a Sephora before. It's pretty good, but I don't really wear a lot of liquid illuminator. If I do any, I just do like a little sweep of like a powder highlighter, but I don't know. Anyway, I did a swatch for this also. I have another one that I've only used once. This one's a little bit more calmer tone. It's not quite as crazy, bright, boom as the other one was. And it doesn't say the color. Oh, okay. Yeah, it does. The color is the original. And this is made in Italy. But I always loved their bottle. I think I just like the simplicity of it, you know? So, again, this is something I won't be able to use for a while because coronavirus. Gotta wear a mask all the time. And I gladly wear mine. I'm not complaining at all. I gladly wear mine. The next item is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Now, I'm a small YouTuber with very small amount of followers. I'm not going to go bash this girl because, you know, that would just totally end my career before it started. Anyway, but I'm not really a fan of them. Of the whole Kardashian family, but I'm definitely going to give this a try. You know, or she's a Jenner. I don't know. Their whole family confuses me. I think she's like the sister, or is she the stepsister? I literally have no clue, and the whole family looks alike, and I don't get that. Anyway, I don't know. I just know she's related to them, but never tried any of her products before to see if they're any good, but I've heard certain things that are good, so I know everybody was really pumped to get this also. I hope that light isn't bothering you guys, but everybody was really hyped up and pumped to get this, so I guess I should be happy. Where is this made? Does it tell me? Okay, in California. Okay, it is made in the U.S. with globally sourced ingredients. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and I was about to start reading the French and thinking those were things. Okay. Here is the whole box, and I guess I got some pretty cool things. I'm just like, sad. I wanted that palette so bad. If anybody wants to trade with me, I'll trade you. I wanted that palette. So, before we get into this, let's get into the swatches. So, I have natural light in this room. I don't own one of those little fancy lights. I guess I should have turned on the light in here. But if you can see, you see right there, that is the iconic London illuminator. So it's a pretty color. I want to see if I could actually do this all over my whole eye and bring it up to my brow and use it as maybe a primer. And then it will have some natural highlight. And I don't know if you could see, I put over my tattoo the Purley's BB cream. Now, it blends pretty well. It's slightly lighter than my hand, but also keep in mind, I have a tan right now. Yes, as pale as I am, I have a tan. So I actually put it over top of my tattoo to see how well it performed. In the beginning, right before I started this video, actually. Now, one thing I'm noticing is it seems to oxidize a little bit. I don't think I'm quite that yellowish. So it makes me look a little bit more yellow. But again, it's right around where my tattoo is and right by my tattoo. So, just thought I should have, but I'm definitely going to give that a try. So, the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner is worth $24. And it's a foaming face wash, if I didn't say that. The Purley's Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream is $35. The Tula Skincare is $28. The iconic London Illuminator is $41. Oh my god. That's kind of crazy. And the eyelashes are $14.99. Ooh, they're 100% silk eyelashes. So yeah. And sorry for the background music. My neighbors like to play, I don't know if it's country music or like classic rock. It sounds the same to me. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. Please know that is not my music. Not my music at all. Okay guys, well I hope you like this video. Sorry I couldn't do the actual surprise box. You know, you're opening it with me. It might be my phone is actually storage is getting full because I have so many apps. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe because I will be doing more videos. I actually signed up for Callsbox and FabFitFun. You know what I mean. And I'll be getting a package soon from Tentree. And if you don't know about Tentree, they are a sustainable company. Everything is natural, but we'll go more into that because I am trying to be a little bit more greener and a little bit more sustainable. It's hard to believe when I get things like this. Callsbox is actually another good one for sustainable people. So I'm kind of debating if I want to stay with Boxycharm still because I'm getting so much stuff that I might take a break from them since I will be getting the Fit Fab Fun next month, maybe sooner, and then I'll also be getting the Calls box. And you get a little bit of different things in there, not just makeup and stuff. And I figure though, whatever I don't use, I give as gifts or I sell it on my Mercari or Poshmark. So I will try to remember to drop those links down below. Try to remember to do that. Drop them down below. So if you guys want to shop my closet, as they call it, or my online store, you guys can go ahead and just mention that you've seen the whole Poshmark on here. Also, if anyone's interested, let me know. I actually have some free Fit Fab Fun, like free welcome boxes. They're not called welcome boxes, trial boxes that you would just have to pay shipping. I think it's like $15. That I have 6 of them that I can email out to you. So if you want me to do that, just drop your email down below too. Alright guys, thank you and like and subscribe and see ya.